At Campbell Mechanical Services, we keep commercial buildings and systems running efficiently. Watch this video for information on optimizing your HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical systems.
Hey Wayne, I just got done talking with a prospect who's struggling with unpredictable maintenance costs. They just keep pulling from their margins whenever something breaks. There has to be a better way, right?
Yes, you know, Jim. This is one of the most common challenges building owners face. They focus on immediate costs but miss the bigger picture of building a life cycle cost.
Life cycle costs? What exactly do you mean by that?
Think of it like an iceberg. The top 20% that you see represents the initial costs, design, construction, and installation, but the real story is what's below the surface. That's the other 80%, the true cost of owning and operating a building over its lifetime. We're talking about energy costs, maintenance, repairs, even the impact of equipment failures on your business operations.
80%? That's huge. But how do you even begin to manage something that big?
Well, that's where ASHRAE comes in and helps us. The American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers. They've identified 8 key cost areas that every building owner needs to consider: energy, in-house staff, contracted services, major repairs, parts and materials, administration costs, loss of productivity, and capital avoidance.
I got most of those, but what's capital avoidance?
That's a great question because I didn't know that either. Here's a great example. Think about a classic car that's still running beautifully after 50 years. How does that happen?
Regular maintenance, right?
Exactly. Capital avoidance is about maintaining your equipment so well that it lasts far longer than expected. Instead of replacing that expensive equipment every 15 to 20 years, with proper maintenance, it can keep running efficiently for much longer.
So we're not just fixing things. We're actually helping clients save money in the long run.
Now you've got it. It's about shifting from reactive to proactive. Instead of waiting for things to break and pulling from margins to fix them, we help clients plan and budget for the entire life cycle of their building system.
But some clients might say they're being proactive because they have a maintenance contract.
There's a big difference between having a maintenance contract and having a true proactive strategy. Real proactive maintenance means creating a system that can operate for a long time with predictable costs and no surprises.
So when we talk about building life cycle costs, we're really talking about helping clients take control of their building's future.
Exactly. And here's the best part. When you manage those costs properly, you're not just avoiding expensive repairs, you're actually freeing up capital that can be invested somewhere else in the business.
Thanks, Wayne. I think I can help my prospects see how taking a life cycle approach could transform their building operations.
Remember, Jim, it's not about spending more or less. It's about spending smarter and having a strategy that protects both their building and their bottom line. To learn more about how Campbell Mechanical Services can help you optimize your building's life cycle costs and develop a proactive maintenance strategy, reach out to your Campbell Solutions provider. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next Coffee with Campbell.
Whether it's a quick question or a challenge you need help solving, give your Campbell rep a call today.